conflicts with the potential to disrupt global supply chains, as I informed you earlier, and exert inflationary pressure on our economy. We have formulated appropriate measures to mitigate the effects of global pressures on our citizens. The emergence of pandemics, as evidenced by the COVID-19 outbreak, underscores the need to strengthen our healthcare systems, and our strategy for primary health will fortify Kenya's health systems to effectively respond to any emerging challenges. Kenya's development is intricately linked to the global economy, and we are therefore actively working to strengthen regional integration and international collaboration to facilitate the smooth movement of goods and services and deepen Kenya's foreign relations. I take this opportunity to recognize the critical role of our development partners, the private sector, and non-state actors, and invite them to work with us in implementing the commitments we have made to our citizens towards achieving robust economic growth and inclusive development. And I'm very happy to note that we have many development friends representing different countries in our midst. And I want to recognize their input, their participation, their contribution, their solidarity in working with us towards changing the fortunes of Kenya and making sure that Kenya is positioned appropriately to work with others in fostering development for humanity globally. The fourth medium-term plan, 2023-2027, ladies and gentlemen, is an instrument that we will use as a whole of government to deliver on the aspirations that the people of Kenya expect of all of us. I want to urge every member of the executive, members of the legislature, friends in the judiciary, to work collaboratively, to work together, build synergy, to make sure that we deliver on this plan, knowing very well that all of us are serving the Kenyan people together. The fourth medium-term plan, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, 2023-2027, is now officially launched. And I thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. One more round of applause, please. Allow me, Your Excellency, to invite you to press the buzzer to symbolize the official launch of the fourth medium-term plan. And allow me to also invite the CS and the Prime Cabinet Secretary to join His Excellency as he presses the buzzer to symbolize